Uh, Good morning, everyone. For the yesterday's session, we'll continue. In yesterday's session, we have discussed how we can able to apply the cross join. So for the data, if I'm taking select star from customers, this is one table we have. This is one table we have, and this is a data where we have 5 rows and 4 columns. Where we have 5 rows and 4 columns. And now, if I'm taking this select star from orders, select star from orders, where we'll be getting 3 columns and 10 rows of data. If I want to apply the cross join, the complete data if I want to get, select star from both the tables like customers, comma, orders. So the complete data it is going to be retrieved now. There are 50 rows of data. 50 rows of data we are going to be get here. So because 5 rows we have in customer and 10 rows we have in orders, because of that altogether after applying 5 into 10 50 rows we are going to get. And the columns in the customers table, if you see, there are 4 columns, and in orders table we have 3 columns. After applying the cross join we'll be getting total 3 plus 4, 7 columns of data we are getting. And now if you see here, I would like to retrieve the customer ID from customers table and the customer name, order date. Just I want to display that. See, for the customer, if we want to create the reference directly, customers table dot customer ID, customers dot customer name. Then we would like to display orders dot order date from this table. So we are getting the data. This is one way, and the same thing if I want to get from the customers comma orders, c dot customer ID, c dot customer name, o dot order date. So I forgot to create the reference here. Let's see. So we'll be getting the data. This is a way how we can able to access it. This is a way how we can able to access it. And now the next type of join we have is equi-join. What is meant by equi-join? See, just similar to the cross join, but from both the tables, whatever it may be the matching rows we have, that it is going to be displayed. Only the matching rows, what we have, it has to be displayed. See, inner join, or say that as equi-join. Inner join, or we can also say that as equi-join. Inner join or equi-join. For that, we need to provide the condition wherever we have matching rows from both the tables, then it is going to be written that. Now, see here, return records or rows from both the tables. where we have matching values, matching rows, we can say. See how we can able to apply that. We'll see. Select from customers, see orders go, customers see orders go. See, till here we know how to apply the cross join. If we want to represent the equi-join, we have to write the where condition. Where, which is a primary key, which is foreign key. Customer ID in the customers table is primary key, and in the second table orders we have customer ID as foreign key. Those two we are going to be equate now. So customer ID from the customers table should be equal to the customer ID of orders. Customer ID of orders. See here what I would like to display. C dot customer ID, C dot name, that is customer name, order ID, order date. So where we have matching data in both, so that it is going to be displayed. So here how many rows it is going to be displayed? These are the matching rows it is displaying. See here for 102 Dana, and the order ID is this one, order date is this one, and for 102 Dana this is this particular one. Order ID is 4 and order date is this one. So we will have repetition also, it is going to be displayed for us. Total 10 records it has been displayed where we have matching one. 10 records. Because in order ID we'll be having that. And one more thing, for giving the clear idea, in this select star from customers, I'll be adding few rows. I'll be adding few rows. Insert into customers values, and the ID is 106. The name let me consider should be phone number, something like Hyderabad. Purani. Like I'll be taking mobile number Bangalore. Arun. Chennai. So these are the three more records I'll be inserting into the customers table for the existing, along with the existing data. This data will be there. Now, if you see, select star from customers, select star from customers. This is the data we have here. This is the data we have here in this. It means these three rows we have added now: 106, 107, 108. See, when we are taking this particular data, there will be no matching data with orders. So see, select star from orders, select star from orders. See, there is no customer ID representing 106, 107, 108. So now, whenever I am applying this particular query to execute, we are not going to be get that particular one, because that is not equal. Like, both the rows is not equal. I mean, from both the tables there is no matching rows. Because of that only, we'll be not getting those data. If you see, order ID we are getting, customer ID we are getting. In the customer ID there is no 106. In the customer ID there is no 106, 107, 108, because it is not there. It is not there. No, 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 wait. Yeah, customer ID 106, 107, 108, it is not getting. But if you see here, select star from customers orders. Here we will be getting, when we apply the cross chain, here we will be getting that, where it is. See, for all this 106, 107, 108, we are having the data here. We are having the data. But when we are applying the equi-join or inner join, then it is not displaying there. Why, in no sense? 106, 107, 108 customer IDs we have in the customers table, but there is no 106, 107, 108 in the customer ID of orders. In the customer ID of orders. Only because of that, it is not getting this data. So, equi-join or inner join innocence from both the tables, wherever we have matching, only that particular data it is going to be retrieved for us. The matching rows from both the tables, it is going to be retrieved. So just మనము cross chain apply చేస్తే రెండు tables నుంచి from each table the data is going to be combined. I mean, ఒక table నుంచి ప్రతి రో వెళ్ళి సెకండ్ టేబుల్ ప్రతి రోతో కంబైన్ అయ్యి మనకు డేటా అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. అది క్రాస్ చైన్. ఈక్వి జాయిన్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆ రెండు టేబుల్స్ లో మ్యాచింగ్ కంటెంట్ ఉన్నది మాత్రమే మనకి డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి. సో మ్యాచింగ్ కంటెంట్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిస్ప్లే ఈస్, సో మనం ఫారిన్ కీని తర్వాత primary key of table 1 and the foreign key of table 2, by using those two we are going to be write equal condition. If it is matching with both the content, then it is going to be retrieved. ఆ రెండు టేబుల్స్ నుంచి ఆ రోస్ మ్యాచ్ అవుతే అవి డిస్ప్లే అవుతాయి, లేకపోతే డిస్ప్లే అవ్వవు. దట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ యూజింగ్ దట్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు కస్టమర్ ఐడిలో కస్టమర్స్ టేబుల్ నుంచి కస్టమర్ ఐడిలో 106, 107, 108 ఉన్నాయి. బట్ అదే ఆర్డర్స్ టేబుల్లోకి వెళ్ళి కస్టమర్ ఐడి కాలంలో చెక్ చేస్తే మనకు 106, 107, 108 లేవు. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ ద డేటా రిలేటెడ్ టు కస్టమర్స్ 106, 107, 108. రెండిట్లో మ్యాచింగ్ ఉంటే డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ రెండిట్లో మనకు మ్యాచింగ్ లేదు. ఓన్లీ కస్టమర్స్ టేబుల్లో మాత్రమే అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిస్ప్లే. Just go through with that. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So the next type of join, left outer join. Left outer join or left join. Left join. See, when we are taking two tables, when we are taking two tables, left and right, from the left side table, if we have matching with the right table, that rows it is going to be display, and in the remaining places it is going to be display null value. From the left side table will be retrieving all the rows of data. From the left side table will be retrieving all rows of data, and from right side table if we have matching data, only that matching data it is going to be display. That is uh, matching rows. From the right side table it is going to be display, and in the remaining places it is going to be display the null values. That is the purpose of using left join. Returns all rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. Remaining from right table will be null value. The syntax for applying the left join. From table 1, table 2. So I'll be accessing. Let's suppose I'll be creating um, the reference or here. So whatever maybe the columns we want to get, C1, C2, and here we can also say this C1 dot column 1. T2 dot column 2, T1 dot column 2, like this. What are maybe the columns we need to access from table 1? Then here we need to write left to join, left to join table 2 on. So here T1 dot column 1 is equals to T2 dot column 2 something. So the reference we are going to be accessed like this. And even for inner join, we'll be having um, by using inner join keyword as what we have applied, same we can apply, or else select, let's suppose T1 dot column 1, T2 dot column 2, T1 dot column 2 something. What are the columns? From table 1 T1 is a reference, table 1 T1 is a reference, inner join table 2 T2 on T1 dot column 1 is equals to T2 dot column 1, T2 dot column 1. The same will apply once. See, for the same, I would like to apply that this format as well. So now here inner join on. We'll be getting the same data. Just observe that we'll be getting the same data. Either this syntax or by using this also we'll be getting the same. We'll apply the left join now. Select C dot customer ID, C dot customer name, O dot order ID, O dot order date. From customers, from customer C, left join orders O on C. Then we'll be writing the condition or here. This C dot customer ID is equals to O dot customer ID. So it means whatever the data we have matching from left to right, simply we can say like from the left side table all data it is going to be retrieved, And if there is a matching rows with the right side table, that matching rows it is going to be displayed, or else it is going to be display null values in the right side columns. So when we are applying this, we'll see the result. See, there is a matching content here. Till here there is a matching content with the right side table. There is a matching content with the right side table. Because of that, from the right side table columns will be having the data. It has been accessing the data. But whereas coming to this 106, 107, 108 columns, there is no matching rows from the right side table. Because of that only, from the left side table it is going to be access all the data. From the left side table it is going to be access all the data, and from right side table columns it is going to be display null values. If you observe here, there is no values in the right side table in the order id, order date. For the customer ids, for the customer ids 106, 107, 108. Because of that it is going to be display the null values. అంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్ నుంచి కంప్లీట్ డేటా అనేది మనకు డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్ నుంచి కంప్లీట్ డేటా అనేది మనకు డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. బట్ రైట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్ నుంచి ఏదైతే మ్యాచింగ్ కంటెంట్ ఉంటుందో ఆ మ్యాచింగ్ కంటెంట్ మాత్రమే డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ will be representing as left join. In the same way, right join we have, where we can say returns all rows from the right side table and the matching rows from the left table remaining from left table will be null values. The same syntax here. So here instead of left, right will be giving. So we'll see the result of that. Right join. See, from the right side table, it is going to be display all the data, I mean all rows of data. And from left table, if we have matching rows from the right side, then it is going to be display. Or otherwise, in that particular positions will be having null values. Null values will be having here from the, see here customer id dot order id. customer id dot already. So where we have matching, that one only it is going to be displayed. If I am changing here table 1 customers, right join, table 2 is this particular one. Sorry, here in right join, it returns all records from the right table, even if there is no matches in the left table. Returns all records from the right table, even if there are no matches in the left table. There are no matches with the in the left table. So it has been displayed all the data. So that is equi join or inner join, and then we have left join, right join as well. Next, full outer join we have. Full outer join or full join. Full outer join. See, returns all records when there is a match in either left or right table. See, from the left table, if it is retrieving all the data, if there is matching in the right side, it is going to be displayed, or else null value it is going to be displayed. If it is retrieving all rows from the right table, if there is matching with the left, it is going to be retrieved. If there is no matching in the left side table, it is going to be displayed null values. Null values. That we'll see. All records and there is a match either left or right table. Either left or right table. The syntax of this, the list of columns from table 1, full outer join table 2. If I am giving the reference here for table 1 as T1 and the reference for table 2 is T2, on T1 dot column name, T2 dot column name where condition. So this is a syntax. Here we are not going to be use this till here. We'll see. Customer ID, c dot customer name, o dot order ID, o dot order date from customers c full outer join orders o on customers c, sorry, c dot customer ID, o dot, alright. See here, by combining left join and as well as right join, it is going to be display the data for us. By combining left join and right join, it is displaying the data for us. Any doubt in this? So with this, we'll stop in this session and we'll discuss self join and as well as natural join in the next session, and we'll move to the next one.